Yo, what is up, guys? Today we are back with another video. Today I am playing Build a Boat. Okay, my video, my phone lagged out with my other, with the beginning of my video, of my other video that was supposed to be the first one. So, and I was just making this, okay? Let me just give you a little quick tour. So here's the motor, you can see everything. And I have only one gold. I'll show you right there. See? It's right there. Okay. So I'm gonna start. Okay. So I was putting down the chairs. The main. The main one. There we go. See? So this one is the one that controls the motor. Okay. So I have gotten so many of these chairs. There's gonna be a bunch of seats. I think we'll just add, one more right there, right there. Since we have so many chairs, we'll just add one right there. Okay, so I think this is glass, guys. If y'all know what it is, please tell me, because I do not know what it is. I think this is because it's like see-through clear. Well, okay. Okay, we're gonna start putting the, this down right here. For some protection. Okay, we're gonna need a lot more, but I guess that will do for right now. Okay, guys, before before I do this, I actually somebody if just in case. Okay, I'm gonna put okay, so this is gonna be the my bet, not Mr. I'm just gonna put M, okay, guys. Okay, M. Okay, I did that, so okay. Now let's save that. Wait, guys, I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. Sorry, my brother needed something. Okay. So now since I press save, right? Now let's lock it. Okay, wait. I'm trying to press lock. Wait. What do you like to... Okay, now I locked it. Okay, yes, so now we loaded it. Okay. Okay, guys, now since we saved it, okay, I'm gonna go over here and I'm going to put one of my my second one. Guys, I think my other one got, something bad. Wait, let's check hers out. Oh, wow. Wow. That is super nice. Hey, guys, let's troll her. Oh, my gosh. This is the button that I think somebody, oh, my gosh, let's check. Oh, no. I think she doesn't know how to, I say save it. Let's say who, I'm gonna say who did gonna say, who did that? Oh my god, guys, I feel so bad because I think she doesn't know. Okay, guys, I feel so bad for her right now. But maybe she passes it and gets a lot of gold. But I don't know, guys. But okay, let's load the one that we were just building on. And load, yes. Oh wow. What did she just do? What is that? Wait, I just said this. Oh, guys. Wait, guys, wait. Will it go away if I respawn my boat? Oh, no. What did I do? Okay, okay, now let me put my boat. Load. Yes. Okay, thank God it's gone. Okay, guys, now let me do this real quick. Okay. Oh my God, guys. Okay. Oh, and guys, like it and how do you say, comment down below. Should I make a part 2 and actually make, like destroy one of my, one of my old boats and turn it into a mega boat or a ultimate boat or something? Comment down below. Okay. Sorry guys, my brother needs me. Okay, okay. No, I'm not gonna be on nobody else's team for now, okay? Okay, guys. So now since... Okay, I only have one, I only have a little bit of stuff, but I want this to actually make nice. Oh my God, no! Wait. Guys, I will meet you in a different server. Okay, guys, I'm back. I had to make a different, I had to join a different server because this button has disappeared. I don't know why, but it has disappeared. Okay. So now let's okay, now since, okay. So first, okay, so here's the one that we were just working on. But we need some gold, guys, so I'm gonna go over here and I am going to load the one, my first boat. Which is this one. Okay. We finna launch this boat. And I mean we're gonna go fast now. Okay, so it's this way for us. Oh my God, it turned so laggy. Okay, now let me just do this. And let me go. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, we're gonna go try to get some, gold. If y'all play this game, y'all should know that you need some gold and that if you beat the whole thing, I think there's like 10 maps, you get 100 gold, which is not fair, really. Okay. We're gonna be skirting in here. Oh my god. No, 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 no. Oh no, we just hit something else. Oh my god, my boat! My boat! What in the world just happened to my boat? Okay, everything is good now. No! No, we can't oof. No, we can't oof. No, no, please, no, please, no. No. Okay. No! We got 8 gold. How is that fair? 8 gold. Okay, guys, I am going to end the video right here. Like and subscribe, comment down below. Go follow me on TikTok, go follow me on Instagram, join the Discord group, and like and subscribe if you want a part 2. Peace!